just for instance, it's 6:10 on the 28th of October, and you can see the sharp cutoff line of sun versus shadows is starting to happen. I am on the sunrise side of the Big Valley. So I get beautiful sunrises coming over that large hill over there, and I believe that to be somewhere around 500 feet above sea level. The field across from me, who knows what that is. Anyway, I'm just trying to show you that I'm down in a valley. I start producing power about 9:15 in October, and on good days we can produce a lot of power here. Okay, we're December the 19th, I believe today. It could be the 20th. Actually, I believe it is the 20th. Tomorrow is the shortest day of the year here in northern Michigan. You started out, it was near zero. What you're seeing is the sun is trying to peek out. I have these solar cells in groups of 10. So we have the east and the west group. The problem with solar cells a lot of times is they'll only put out the juice that the lowest producer will pass through it. And you're going to see, probably you're going to see some snow falling off from the panels. It is just about 10 to 2, and at 2:30 in this area, we're already starting to shut off the sun. Thank goodness it's about to go the other way after tomorrow. So I know I have been lax in updating. That's going to change very soon. After I hang up here, I'm going to go call the building department and schedule an inspection, and then we're going to discuss more options for my solar panels. Talk to you in a little bit. Bye. Here we're going to see a photo of the thermostat I'm currently using. It is set at 70 degrees. Normally between 70 and 71, depending on the humidity value. You will see that the temperature outside is 13 degrees. The heat pump does not work below 20 degrees above zero. And you'll see the temperature on the thermostat is 13 degrees outside, with relative humidity at 66%. This still shows the west side solar array, and even in this one you can see in the lower right panel a little bit of shading from the roof. This array is 10 panels in series, running approximately 325 working volts. It can get to 357. It's low amperage. It's only about just under 7 amps, and it works quite well. But you can see with that little bit of shading down there, that snow did not melt off. Okay? We're going to go to the next photo now. Okay, you're seeing the east side set of 10 panels here. The electrical specs are exactly the same. You can almost see the angle of the roof in the snowpack on the bottom row of solar panels. I believe this shadow to be completely gone by January the 25th. This is December 23rd, if I remember correctly, when this was shot. We're going to see a tremendous amount of difference in the amount of sun in 30 days from now. I am hoping for the very best. The angle of the sun will be up approximately 5 more degrees, which should clear off that complete bottom row of solar panels. Here you are seeing the production in October from a brand new inverter. I was just learning how to set it up here. I have it set up. I love the darn thing. It is better than sliced bread, even with butter and jelly on it. You will see on the left hand side the number of kilowatt hours put out from my entire system. Now remember, this is October, so the sun is starting to go down. Had I had a full October, I would have had a very, very nice amount of sun and power put into the house. Okay, we'll move on to the next. This is November's timeline. Of course, it's from the 1st all the way to the 30th. And you can see the kilowatts produced on the right hand side. You can also see how much I was using, my consumption for my house to charge the batteries that I have installed and to run the heat. You can also see at about the 25th, it looks like the sun got shut off, which it did. We're getting on to the next photo, which is December. And this is the 23rd as this is being produced. And there is very, very little amount of electric being made and or stored. I actually quit using the batteries because I can't charge them up. So for all those people with the idea that they can buy enough batteries and store it for use, if you are using it for anything else but lights, forget it. It just won't be enough. When I say that it looks as though somebody has turned the lights out or actually turned the sun off, that's exactly what I mean. You are not going to make a lot of power in the last 2 months of a year or the first 2 months of the next year. Consider being on grid and using the power company's offset or buyback program, whichever is available to you. This photo is 5:45 on the 23rd December 2024. Pretty dark out, right? Please hit the like and subscribe button. It would make a lot of difference for Po' Boy's Sawmill. Even though this is going to solar, I'm trying to keep you informed of what is going on in the world. Thanks. Bye for now.